Hello guys, in this video we will talk about super popular scam project. The name of this scam project is Front-Run Bot, Liquidity Bot, Uniswap Bot. The name can be different, but the logic is the same. A lot of people already lost their money, thousands and thousands of dollars, and today we will check how this scam work. We will check the code. Today we will use this bot, we will lose our Ethereum, of course, test Ethereum, and we will understand how this scam work. So let's go. So how this scam is work? It is very simple. Scam developers create clickbait videos. Inside of these videos we have a smart contract code, and developers say that if we deploy this code and deposit 1 Ethereum inside of this smart contract address, this code will trade and earn money for investor. So in scam video it look very sweet, it look very simple. You just deposit 1 Ethereum, and after few hours your deposit will be 1.5 Ethereum, and after few hours you earn more Ethereum and more Ethereum, because this code makes some automatic trades and you don't need do nothing, just put some deposit to the contract address. But of course, if we put the money for this address, we lose this, and now I will show you how this works. You can easily find this scam project on YouTube. Just type earn 1000 per day Uniswap or Front-Run Liquidity Bot, and you will find this. And I want to tell that this scam YouTube channels looks very similar to each one. They have only one video inside of each channel. All of these videos have similar structure of description. We can see it. They have code link that we need to install. They have Telegram developer connection. They have MetaMask wallet download page, and of course a lot of positive comments. I think developers pay for real people to put these positive comments. So guys, let's check the code of this scam project. I already put it inside Remix IDE. Remix, this is a program for smart contract development. The code base for this scam are not the same for each one, but have one similar logic that will help to lose your money. This code have 500.5 lines of code, so this is a big code file. If you are not a developer, you will never understand what happens inside of this code. But I want to tell you that here we have a lot of function, a lot of code that developed to confuse it a person who is trying to understand how it works. So let's deploy this code and test it. I put this code inside of Remix and click deploy. For deploying we need to pay some transaction. Of course I use test Ethereum, because if I use my real Ethereum, I will lose it. So let's confirm transaction. This smart contract already deployed and we can check it on Etherscan. So the status are success and our contract is already created. Open it. Now we will copy the address of this contract. It is here, and will send for this contract some amount of test Ethereum, because as scam developers say that we need to deposit some Ethereum, and this bot will automatically trade and earn money for us. So let's send some Ethereum for this address. I open a MetaMask, change my address, click send, put the scam contract address, 8730 8730 and send some test Ethereum. I will send 0.1 Ethereum. Click send, confirm, and wait some time. The transaction already done. In Remix IDE we see that the balance of our smart contract already 0.1 Ethereum. Also we can check it on our Etherscan web page, just reload it, and we see that the balance of our scam contract is 0.1 Ethereum. And here we see this transaction. So we already deposited in our smart contract some amount of money. The scam developers say that if we want to start our trade bot, we need deposit a money and just click button start. So let's make it, because we already deposit some money. Let's click start button. Again, we need to confirm our transaction in MetaMask. Click confirm and wait. Transaction are done, and we see that balance of our smart scam contract are 0 now. So we lose our money, but this button start need to execute our bot. Let's check Etherscan web page, and here we see our transaction that lose our money. But before we open this transaction, let's save our address for Notepad. So this is our scam contract address, 703A 703A. Okay, let's now open this transaction that lose our money. And here we see that from our scam contract address execute some transfer with our 0.1 Ethereum to unknown address. So I think this is main developer scammer address. Let's also save scammer address to our Notepad. And now we see that this scam address already have our money, and I sure that our money will not come back for us. Okay guys, we already lose our money. I am happy that this is not real money, only test Ethereum. But let's check how this code works. We lose our money when we click function start, so let's find this function. We can click Ctrl F to open the find window and just put some text, and this video will help find this text inside of our code. So I put start text and we find this start function. Now we see that this start function transfer all money from contract balance to this address, and this address are inside of this function. So let's find this function. This function a little bit above, and this function call another function. So let's find this function, guys. For first call mempool. Okay guys, we already find this call mempool function, and here we see that this call mempool function calls a lot of functions. So the logic of this code just to confuse us. These code developers create a large pyramid of function, and one function call second function call another function call another function. And of course people that don't know developer language, Solidity language, never understand how this work. But for us guys, I take all of function that doing scam from main part of code. our main part of code are 500.5 lines of code, but the main function that create a scam are only 165 lines of code. So another 400 lines of code created just for confusing us. This function do nothing. But let's check how the main code work. The function start a call function call front run mempool. This call front run pool function code call parse mempool. Also withdraw function call also parse mempool. So if we click start, we will lose our money, and if we will withdraw, we will also lose our money. So this main function calls call mempool function. Let's deploy this contract and check this call mempool function. Deploy. Okay, we already deployed our main scam contract. Now let's click on call mempool function, and this function return for us address. Let's copy this address and put to our notepad. And this address are the similar one with our scammer address, and our money already inside of scammer address. So when we call start function, this start function call second function, and this second function call mempool function, and call mempool function return for us scammer address. So we transfer all our money to scammer address. Of course, this call mempool function are not as simple. This function call another a lot of function that return scammer address. Guys, I hope this video will helpful for you. Never believe if someone in internet promise you easy profit. 99% it will be a scam and you will lose your money. Now you know about this kind of scam. If you like this video, you can put finger, you can subscribe for my channel. If you want to support the channel, you can send some crypto for me or buy my NFT on OpenSea. Information will be at the description for this video. Now we can finished. If you have some question, chat me on Telegram. See you in the next videos. Bye for now.